Hello guys, reacting to another Darman Studios video. Today we're watching Team Prankster pulls fire alarm to skip test. Damn, Darman Studios. Let's watch it.
I'm telling you shenanigans! I know you pulled that fire. No.
I swear, I promise you, I didn't do it. I'm innocent.
You'll be in detention for the rest of your life.
You might think I'm lying.
Guys, detention for whole life? Wait.
But I swear I'm not. After all, honesty is the best policy, right?
Backtrack to how this all started. Are you still in bed?
Like, I don't understand how to get this like hair. Like, this hair. I really want this. But I have the straightest hair of my life.
You're gonna be late for school. Let's go.
In the whole world, I mean.
Mom. I'm sick.
Bro, that was the fakest sneeze I ever saw. Let's continue.
I don't really feel good about it. I think I guess so. Oh, you do feel warm.
Okay, we'll take some medicine down in the cabinet, okay? Get some rest.
Hey.
Okay, is he like on camera filming this? Because if he always talks to us, then he is talking to camera. This is fake, that means.
My lie never hurts anyone, right?
Okay, I'll call you later to check in on you, okay? Feel better, sweetie.
Thank you, Ma.
Wait, then when I said he's on camera, so I'm on camera watching a Darman video, and in the Darman video, he's in front of camera when I'm watching him when he's on camera. Okay, let's just continue. Guys, what was that thing? Guys, what is this thing? Wait. Okay, what is that? What was that for? What is this thingy? What is this thingy? I don't understand.
Bro,
See that?
oh, she totally fell for it. Look here.
Chat? He's live. He's live. His mom didn't notice. First of all, the camera, and second of all, the live chat and the voices. Like, this is so fake.
The nose is what sells it. Stay tuned. There's a lot more where that came from. Let's go.
Definitely yes from the start when he had unlimited attention. He had these. I bought my own AC, air conditioner.
He's in the chat.
We need to talk about attendance rates. You have more absences at your school than any school in the district this month. What seems to be the issue here?
But it's just kind of strange because we're known to have the lowest absentee rates in the system.
What? Not anymore? One student in particular, Dax Morales, seems to have a concerning.
Let me guess. Dax is that guy that went live on chat and faked everything.
Record. A long history of call-outs, not to mention some behavioral issues.
I see. Well, Superintendent Spears, I'll deal with this swiftly.
You better. I'm sure I don't have to remind you how important tomorrow is. We have officials coming to evaluate the school and your performance as principal.
Of course. We'll be ready.
See you tomorrow. Painley.
Yep, that's Morales. I know Morales. Yeah, he's that one.
No way! You guys are trying to kill me. Okay, fine. You pay, I'll play.
Let me guess how much hot sauce. Or a tiny bit, or the whole bottle. I don't know. But he said trying to kill them, so it's gonna be the whole bottle, definitely. Chug, 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 chug.
Se ti senti così, copriamo il 99% della popolazione in 4G.
I really don't understand. What is this ad? What is this ad?
Italo is magic. Vai su italotreno.com. Disturbi intestinali in viaggio.
Di diarrea puoi provare Enterogermina.
Allora, Nani, io quelli che in vacanza si fanno i calcoli delle divisioni dei conti al centesimo, capisci? Ma non li tolle.
Hey, Mary.
Another student puked in the nurse's office.
Oh. I need a student's address on Dex Morales.
A home address? Why?
Just give it to me, Mary. I need it ASAP.
No way! You guys are crazy. Nope.
Is he gonna eat super glue? No way, no way.
Ooh, here we go, Jack.
Just gonna die. It's worse. No way, this teacher, first of all, he asked for his address, then he's climbing to the car. Why? He's gonna kill him?
Well, I'm coming for you, Dex Morales.
He's killing him. Dax survived.
You guys are crazy. Oh, this is gonna hurt so much. Oh, so smooth.
Dax is dead.
See how sick he is.
Woo! Chat, we've been
He's a banana. Yippee-yay.
in today. Come on, please give me something good to do next. No way! You guys are crazy! Right to school. Yeah, we want to see you in class.
Prank to school. Yeah, we want to see you in class. Prank the principal. Do your homework. Nobody will expect that.
Prank the principal? Guys, you know, come on, you know I can't take this to school. Well, I mean, unless you had a few $100 from me, then maybe I'd consider it. That must be my mom. Gotta act sick. Did she forget her key? Come on now.
Anyone home?
Principal Paley? Guys, I'll be back.
Guys, yeah, I will be back. I need to go to Brawl Stars. At least I'm filming. Somebody just sold me the 2 boxes all for free now. Yes, 2 dead boxes. More like coin boxes last time. 9 items. That's very good. Coins, XP, coins, coins. Hey, a skin already? I'll take that. And bling? Oh, that's a star power. Okay, I'll take it. Coins, bling, coins, coins. Okay, so can the box. Please 10. I got 10. And the first item is something. Oh, hey, I think this was a event skin. Pretty good. XP, bling, 1,000 coins. I'll take that. I'm saving for Doug's hyper, so yeah. 90, 31, 2, bling, and icon. Pretty good. Wait, let me check. Can I buy the hack? Look at that. Very good. Join this club, it's very good. But it falls. Oh, it's so loud. Okay. Yeah.
You've been served!
Get back to the video, okay? YouTube. Yeah. Team pulls firearm to skip class. But in the title, it's for... Here, look the title. Team pranks pull to skip test. So what the heck? Let's continue.
Guys,